Hello, my enthusiastic friends. Let's learn some of the basic things about the heart sounds. This is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle, pulmonary artery, and aorta. Blood from right atrium enters the right ventricle. This red one are the walls present between right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle, between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery, between left ventricle and aorta. Now blood from right atrium enters the right ventricle. Once the blood enters the right ventricle, this wall closes. At the same time, when the blood from left atrium enters the left ventricle, this wall closes. So the closure of these two walls, that is aortoventricular wall, produces the first heart sound S1, that is lub. Similarly, when the blood from right ventricle moves into pulmonary artery and from left ventricle moves into aorta, this valve, pulmonary valve, also called as P2, and aortic valve A2 closes, which produces the second heart sound, that is dub. Normally, A2 closes before P2. That is, this valve closes before P2. That is called as physiologic splitting of S2, which is completely normal. We denote it writing by A2 P2. Imagine this as right atrium and this part as right ventricle. This is the valve between right atrium and right ventricle. Now blood is flowing from right atrium to right ventricle. Once the blood completely has flowed from right atrium to right ventricle, this wall, that is aortoventricular wall, in this case it is tricuspid wall, closes. Dub, lub, lub, lub. If it is aortoventricular wall, first heart sound S1 will be present. Produce, that will be lub, 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 lub. Similarly, if it is aortic valve or pulmonary valve, that time the heart sound produced will be dub, dub, dub. These are the normal heart sound produced.